Hello there, welcome to our channel Long Once again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem your V-Bucks gift card on your Fortnite account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to redeem your V-Bucks gift card on your Fortnite account, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in fortnite.com like this and hit enter, and you'll be redirected to the Fortnite game sector or the game Fortnite web page of the Epic Games directly. And now after landing on the Fortnite web page of the Epic Games, on the top right corner of your screen you can see the sign in option available over here. Click on sign in. First, you'll be required to sign in to your Epic Games account. Let's go to sign in with the Epic Games account itself. As you can see, my computer has saved my credentials, and I'll not be required to type it, but you'll be required to type your email address and your password over here, and then click on login now. And after signing into your Fortnite account or the Epic Games account on your Fortnite game, you can see on the top right corner of your screen there is your username, and over here you can see the V-Bucks card option available over here, which is the third one. Click on V-Bucks card, and over here you can see this is the page where you can redeem your V-Bucks card, and let's click on get started. And on this page you'll be required to enter your pin code over here, and after that, after entering your pin code, which is probably at the back side of the Fortnite card, you will be required to scratch it, and it will be covered with some kind of ink. And after scratching it and receiving your pin number on your Fortnite card, enter it over here and click on next. Then you will be required to select the platform on which you want to recharge the V-Bucks, and then after selecting the platform on which you want to recharge the V-Bucks, click on next and it will be recharged. And there guys, this is how you recharge the Fortnite V-Bucks on your Fortnite or your Epic Games account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.